Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we'll be painting these tropical leaves using gouache. I'm using the HIMI gouache today and I made the review of this gouache. If you're interested, the link is in the description below. So I'm going to start with the Monstera leaf. The Monstera leaf is one of the popular plants we have today. You can see it everywhere. You can see it in prints and curtain designs. People paint it and with watercolor. But today I'm going to paint it with gouache. And right now I am just outlining the shape of the plant. And later on, we're gonna go and add some more details. Now I'm gonna add the holes because some plants have holes in them. So that's what I'm doing right now. So now I'm adding the colors. I'm just the same in color and filling in the outline that I just made. And that's what I'm doing right now. You can use different shades of green, and that's what I'm doing here. So right now I have this warmish, if that's a word, warmish green, and later on I'll add some cool greens as well. Then I decided to add a yellowish color in the middle, in the mid section, the middle part of the plant. Okay, so now I'm using my darker color of green, which is the cooler green that I have, and I'm just drawing the shadows. Now we're going to paint the bird of paradise leaf, and this leaf is fairly simple to do. I am starting with the shape of the leaf, and now I'm just doing the outline, and then we're going to fill in the color. I'm just gonna add a line in the middle and darken the outer area with a darker green, and I'm gonna add some green with white, and I'm just adding more highlights to it. So now I am painting a banana leaf or banana plant, or the leaf of the banana plant. So I'm just starting with the shape, and I'm gonna add a line in the center that cuts it in two halves, but not really. So I'm just mixing white with my yellow, and I'm mixing it right now. I'm gonna go add a line in the center. And then I use the same green again, and then I darken the edges. And then I add more details by drawing lines later on. So the last leaf is going to be the fern. So now I'm just drawing a line and I'm adding leaves and I drag it outwards. I just pull the brush and add layers to make it darker, to create dimension. You can use a different green here if you want to make it look different. And then I'm just gonna add more details to my banana leaf because I wasn't satisfied earlier. So yeah, these are the leaves, and I hope you found this video helpful. Like it if you enjoyed this video, and see you in my next video. Okay, bye guys.